This is a single shot, tooth, crackling, and silver star by Matt Hornet. This is a single shot by Matt Hornet.
Oh my god! Woo! That was so cool, guys. That was so cool.
Hey guys, this is Julian Toops' nephew, and I'm about to do a canister shell for me, Mr. Big. This is splash from mine.
Damn, that's dead.
Yeah,
Hey, use my ladder. Wait. Yeah,
Yeah.
give it to me.
They're showing what we got. Big canister shell.
Okay.
Oh!
Me too.
Lots of smoke. Meet Mr. Big, 60-gram canister shell.
60-gram, here's your Michelle. And one Peter.
Wow. Safety first. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
I'm gonna do a little tank.
Alright.
I don't know where it's gonna go.
Where are you
But there's
shooting? Little
wheel.
tank. Oh, what? Yeah, it doesn't work. Oh yeah. Whoa. What? Whoa.
Go, Matt Hornet. This is a Maddox black box. It's new, we never tried
Super
it.
Zero Man.
Maddox black box artillery shell.
It goes up to the sky.
Nice.
Mosquito.
Hey guys, this is an artillery shell by El Toro. Oops.
Hi guys.
Okay, got it right.
No, así no.
See?
Así mío, yo no lo hago, yo le quito eso.
No, that's fine.
Okay. ¿Sí?
Ooh, okay. Oh!
Burned my finger. This is a 48 shot shooting star.
Nando.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You don't know, Brenda's.
65 shots.
65 shots by Matt Hornet. Saturn missiles. Oh,
Whoa, whoa, whoa.